Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to permanently delete calls history on iPhone. So step one, open the calls app, which is this green one. And you will land on this page. As you see, I have one contact that I've tried to call 2 times. If I check the call history from here, as you see, I have 2 outgoing calls. To delete this call or calls history, simply click on the call or the contact call. Yes, the contact call that I want to delete, and select delete. Another way, if you have multiple, if you want to permanently delete multiple calls history on iPhone, simply click on delete, select, and start selecting the calls that you want to delete. Here you will have multiple calls, and you check them from here, for example, multiple calls, and click on delete. And just like that, no call history on your iPhone. And this is how to permanently delete calls history on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.